In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing of Ulanzi VL40 LED light which I bought for my camera. The box of Ulanzi VL40 looks like this. It's a white light. It has a 2000 mAh battery inside, and here you can see the color temperature and number of LEDs. Total 49 pieces of LEDs are present, and CRI is 95 plus, and it has 5 brightness levels. This light is made in China. Without wasting any time, let's open the box. And here is a light, and you will get a type C to type A cable and a user manual on how to use the Ulanzi VL40. Here is a light. Here is a port for charging the LED light. First, let's see how the charging looks on the light. Once you insert the power source, you can see that a red light is blinking. To turn on the power, you can see the on off switch over here. Let's turn on. Here you can see the light. Let's increase the brightness. I will turn off the light. You can see the difference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Full. This is how the full brightness looks. When you increase or reduce the brightness, you can see the indicator light. Off, on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 levels. This is the max brightness. The room is completely dark. You can see the brightness. M is, I think M means medium. Here you can see that I have kept it to 1 level. To increase the brightness immediately, you can simply click on M. You can see that it is directly switching. You can use a cool shoe mount, and you can place it at whatever angle you want. By default, it comes in this position. I am going to fix it on my camera. If you want to tighten it, you can tightly fix the light on the camera. Here you can see that it will not fall down. This is how it looks on my camera. You can place it at whatever position you want. Here you can see that I can fix it on the top of my camera also. After fixing it at whatever position you want, you need to tighten the screw like this. Here you can see that the light looks like this on the top. Let's turn it off. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.